So first I'm showing you that puzzle answer of that puzzle, which was this, and this time also so many students have sent me, so very good. Now just to see that your answers are right or not, and just say your name if your answers is right. This was also very easy to arrange 1 to 4 in a line.
Right.
My answer are right. Saima Hasmani.
My answer is right.
My
My
answer
answer
is
is
right.
right, Balashmiza.
Okay, good.
My answer is right, Qureshi Fatima.
Okay. So Qureshi Fatima, Baloch Nisa, and Hasmani Saima. Three of you very good.
Ma'am, my
answer is right, Mandal Maria. Ma'am, my answer is right, Keshwani Fatima.
my answer is right, Sheikh Anisha.
Answer is right,
Okay, good.
Maria.
Okay, good. Very good. Keshwani Fatima also, Mandal Maria also, then Anisha also, Inchi also. Very good. So I guess 7 to 8 girls told me.
My answer is right, Pathan Zere Banu.
Very good, Pathan Zera. And this puzzle was very easy. That's why
Yes,
I've selected.
to arrange 1 to 4 line. I means in the
Ma'am,
line.
my answer is right.
This was the original question that there are some missing numbers and how you will fill 1 to 4. So in one line there should be only one time 1 to 4. Means all 1 to 4 should be there whether sleeping way or standing way, means vertically and horizontal. That's why I've selected the easy one that at least 20 to 30 girls will send me. But hope next time 15, at least 15 girls will send me. Now this is the next chapter, addition, subtraction and their application. So we just have to revise this addition and that. So I'm just revising some rules that whenever we add anything, so we start adding from right side only. Means first we add the numbers, means digit which are at ones place, then tens place, then hundreds place, then thousand, then 10,000. That way. First we start from which place? Which what I said?
One.
Ones.
One.
Yes.
Once.
Okay, good. So first we start adding from the ones place. Means whichever digits are there at one.
Ma'am.
Yes. Who was calling me? Say fast.
Qureshi Fatima once.
Now don't again say about captain, huh?
अरे नीचे जा हाँ फोन
If you have anything else, you
क्या
can
काम है
say.
तुझे
If it is about sleeping, but not about the same thing. Now say what was your question? Is it about this chapter?
Ma'am, your voice is coming two time.
But because of her mic, what can I do?
Yes.
मैम जुबेर ये महुआ वाला डिस्टर्ब करती है.
Whoever's mics are unnecessarily unmute, please mute your mic. And whoever, whenever anybody calls me, please first ask, excuse me, ma'am. Like if you want to call me, if you want to ask me anything. And first thing that you should allow me to finish whatever I want to say. Even I didn't finish what I was saying. Now I forgot also what I was saying. Sometimes even we also forget that which point we were explaining. Whenever you call, interrupt. So this was about additions only. That we start from right side. And if the sum of that two digit is more than 9, no, then we carry the digit. So you all remember, no, which digit you should carry and how you will put that carry digit. Remember that carry rule?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Here also you can see these upside numbers are carry numbers. And this was very easy. And these are the points which you have to write in the fair book. I have already sent this PDF. In this PDF, that rules are already written. That only the same.
Yes.
Remember and this and that. These one. These are the notes. So this you can write afterward. because today is already, I think, 13 July. Today's date is 13 July, and the paper is on 2nd August, I guess. So very less time we have. That's why I'm not
Yes.
asking you to copy right now. Afterward, you can copy this. Right now, I'm just explaining. This way, you can write the notes, and these notes are only important. That's why I'm not telling you to write anything else. So, Kaliwala Sara gave me one name for reading this. Remember this one. Are you present, Kaliwala Sara, or left? Kaliwala.
I think so.
Yes, ma'am.
Kalipara Sarah is there, but not there.
हाँ Kaliwala Sara.
Yes, ma'am.
You can give me one name for reading this. Remember.
Keshwani Fatima Mandi Hassan.
हाँ Keshwani Fatima Mehndi Hassan.
Yes, ma'am.
Do you want to read this?
Yes, ma'am.
So you can start. I'm showing from where. From this heading, you can just read these 2 points.
Remember, you can add numbers in any order and the sum will be the same. 0 added to any number gives the same number as the sum.
Very good. So this you just have to remember. I'm showing the practically also. Here it is written that you can add numbers in any order. In any order means that whether this will be first or second number will be first. Like if suppose I'm saying plus 5 or 5 plus 3. So what will be the answer of both the questions?
9. 9.
How 9? Teach me that addition. I don't know how 9 comes.
8.
8.
6, 7, sorry, 8.
8. And wait. Just now who asked me कि लिखने का है something.
Qureshi Fatima asked.
It's now height. I can't explain. Okay, after giving instruction for so many time, and you have to write after this lecture means the online class will be end. In the homework, you have to copy from that PDF. PDF I have already sent in advance. Now I don't know which language I should use. Or English is hard for you girls. Because I know that you are in 5th standard, so you are able to understand.
Yes.
That what I said, that when you will write these notes and from which PDF. That also I have clear, that I have already sent you PDF of the fair book. From that only you have to write afterwards, not right now. So here I was explaining about this, that here you can see, here 3 is first and then 5. Here 5 is first and then 3. Then also answer is same, right? Or different? Answer is same or different?
Same.
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 So here the same thing they are explaining, that you can add number in any number, the sum will be the same. Sum means total. Total will be the same or different?
Same.
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 So total means sum will be same. Whether you add 3 plus 5, whether you add 5 plus 3. In multiplication also, 4 5s are 5 4s are both are same. That way. Now I'm explaining second point, this one. So 0 added to any number gives the same number as the sum. Obviously, like 5 plus 0, what will be the answer? 5 plus 0.
5.
5.
5.
Then 110.
110.
110
110.
plus. So here that only they are explaining that when you add 0 to any number means whether you add 0 to 5 or 110, it will give you the same number. Means 5 plus 5, 5 only. 110 plus 0 equals to 110 only. मतलब वही number दोबारा से total में आएगा. So these 2 points I have explained. These 2 points. Now we will start the next one. Next page, which is about subtraction. So next name. Sara Kaliwala Sara.
Saima Hasmanan.
Okay.
Saima
हाँ.
Hasmanan.
Time I am showing from where you to read. Now this is about subtraction, and we all know that in addition we use concept of carry, and here we will use the concept of borrowing. Now Saima, you can read from this heading.
Remember, any number subtracted from itself will give 0 as the difference. 0 subtract from any number will give the number itself as the difference.
Very good. Now this is about subtraction, and the same thing I have written in my that fair book also, notes, same thing. Now again I am also reading and explaining any number subtracted from itself. मतलब 5 को 5 में से ही subtract करना. Itself means the same number. Itself मतलब. So 5 minus 5, what you will get?
0.
Right? Huh. That's why here 0 is written. Okay, when you subtract the same number means itself. Itself मतलब वही का वही number. Itself means वही का वही number. Like 10 minus 10, 25 minus 25, 30 minus 30. Itself मतलब वही number को subtract करना. Itself मतलब वही का वही number. So if you will subtract the same number from itself, then obviously you will get 0 only. So that is written in first point. Now I am explaining second point. 0 subtracted from any number will give the number itself as the difference. Means 0 subtracted from any number. Like any number can be 10 or 25. So 0 subtracted, मतलब 0 को subtract करना है. So what you will get? 10 minus 0? 10. So what you will get? Itself. Number itself. मतलब वही का वही number. Number itself मतलब वही का वही number मिलेगा. 10 minus 0, so 10. 25 minus 0, so 25. The same number you will get. So these 2 points are related to zeros only. Now these are some common subtraction sums. If you forgot borrowing and that, then you can revise using this one. But I don't think so you forgot borrowing and that. Because when I was explaining that concept also, subtraction, borrowing and that, when we were solving bridge course assignment, so we have revised that. Now this is another thing. Next name Sarah for reading the heading. First I'm just explaining the heading. Sarah, are you giving me name? Kaliwala Sarah.
Yes, ma'am. Insia Bora.
Inshia, you just have to
Yes,
read the
ma'am.
heading because this concept is new. So first I will explain the heading.
Okay.
This is the heading.
Using compensation for addition and subtraction.
Means here we will not do addition subtraction normally. You can see this first one. This is normal addition. This one. How we do know that? But this one is not normal addition, but this is using compensation method. Addition subtraction जो हम पहले करते थे वैसा नहीं करना है. This is another method. You can see here this one is the first one is common which we used to do. means using carry and that. But this one is another method कि जो हम अभी सीखेंगे. So I'm just explaining this method. You can just pay attention. And these are examples. For that, you just have to use this one. Now, next name.
Zoya Khan.
Whose ID you said?
Zoya Khan.
Okay, so whose ID is that? Because even that ID is new for you. New.
Resham Fatima.
Resham Fatima is there.
Inchia Fatima means Bojani.
Resham Fatima means Saria.
Minsaria.
Okay, so means Ria Resham Fatima. Do you want to read this? Minsaria Resham. Okay, next name. Sarah.
Kulsum Zahra.
Huh. So Bhimani. Bhimani Kulsum, do you want to read this?
Yes, ma'am.
You can read from here.
In addition, increase one number and dis- dis- decrease the order by the same amount.
Okay. So now here they are saying about addition. This one, addition. अभी सिर्फ वो addition का ही बोल रहे हैं. In the heading you can see using compensation for addition, subtraction, both. First they are just saying about addition. So this much is very important. This sentence is very important. So carefully please listen also and try to understand also. In addition, increase one number. Increase matlab you have to just add something. So you can see one number we are just increasing, other we are decreasing. Increase and decrease. They are opposite names, means some both. Increase and decrease, both. If you see increase and decrease, so both words are opposite, both the words. So what you have to do here, you can see two numbers are given, but one number you have to increase, but other number you have to decrease. One number you have to increase, मतलब बढ़ा रहा है. Other number you have to decrease, and by the same amount. By the same amount means who will say? This is also example you can see. Same amount, but amount का meaning क्या होता है? What is the meaning of amount? Here it is written no, in addition increase one number. एक नंबर जो है जैसे कि 38 है, उसको इंक्रीज करना है मतलब बढ़ाना है. एंड अदर नंबर 26 उसको डिक्रीज किया बाय द सेम अमाउंट, मतलब by the same number. What is the meaning of same amount? Same number. Same, what same amount means?
Numbers.
Same number. You can see we have just added 2 and then subtracted 2. यहाँ पे B, same way. One time 3 we have to add and other you can see subtracted 3. You understood the meaning of increase, decrease and same amount? 3 1. Increase मतलब बढ़ाना, decrease मतलब कम करना and same amount मतलब same number. You understood the meaning of these three words? Increase मतलब क्या, decrease?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
And other students, because I have translated that in Hindi only, that you can understand meaning of increase, decrease and same amount. Now I am practically showing you. This is the question. Now this you have to solve normally. Normally पहले solve करना है and then tell me कि you got the same answer or not. How we do no means carry in that way. I'm giving 30 seconds. Do this in rough book. This one. Means normally not using this compensation. Have you we do no normally that only. Addition. Like 8 plus 6 that way. And then tell me what is the answer means.
मैम हम बोरो करेंगे तो चलेगा?
Sign is this? This one. Is this subtraction sign or addition?
Addition.
Addition. So what you have to do? Addition. Borrowing is the concept of subtraction. Here you have to use carry that concept.
Ma'am, my answer is right. Jana. My answer is right. Keshwani Fatima Nadia.
Okay.
Ma'am, my answer is right.
Okay. And this is normal addition only, the first.
My answer is right.
Okay.
Ma'am, my answer is right.
My answer is right. Bharat.
Okay.
Ma'am, my answer is right. Miriam Wong.
Okay. It means everyone remembers that normal addition. Even we have revised also when we were solving that bridge course assignment. At that time also I have told you. Now next name for reading this. Sarah.
Ma'am, yes, ma'am. Zuveria Mawala.
So Zubaida, you can read this.
Okay. We can change number into
Multiples.
multiples of 10 or 100 to make it is easier to add and subtract.
Very good. Now you can mute your mic. So these three words I have explained you. Increase means what, decrease means what, and same amount matlab kya. That I have explained. Now this also I have already explained. Multiples of 10, multiples of 100 means what? Multiples of 10. Who will give me example of multiples of 10? I have already explained, but I just want to know.
Ma'am, can I?
Yes, Saima.
10, 20, 30, 40. Are
Very good.
example.
Okay. Good. So multiple of 10 means when you multiply 10 with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, what you get no as an answer? Like 10, 20, 30,
10,
40.
20, 40, 60, 80.
Okay. So we have to change this 38. First number is 38. So 38 is near to which multiple of 10? We have already learned that. Okay, 38 है वो 30 और 40 दोनों के बीच में आता है. 30 both are multiple of 10. 38 जो है वो 30 और 40 दोनों के बीच में आता है. But it nears to which multiple of 10?
40.
40, yes. So we have to use all the concept now, please. That multiple of 10 also, round to the nearest 10 also. So those who have not attended that lecture, I don't know who have not attended. I think so these girls were regular only at that time also and right now also. But those who were not regular, those who have not attended that lecture, you can see afterward means that video because that concept is also very important, round to the nearest 10. So 38 is nearest to this 40. So we will change 38 into 40. यहाँ पे you can see change number. 38 को 40 में change करना है. But how we will change? Means we will add something or we will subtract something. Means we will increase that number or we have to decrease that number. Then it will become 40. Who knows?
Ma'am, plus 2.
Yes. If you want to change 38 into 40, then you have to add 2. 38 को अगर 40 में change करना हो, then you have to add 2. Now what is rule here? In addition, increase one number and decrease the other number by the same amount. मतलब same number से हमें दूसरे number को decrease करना है. If you add 2 in 38, then you have to subtract 2 from 26, compulsory. Here also, if you add 3, then subtract 3 from other. If you add 5 in 1, then subtract 5 from other. वैसे करना है. You understood, no? How can we change 38 into 40 and why we are changing? Understood?
Okay, ma'am. Yes. Yes.
Yes,
ma'am.
Okay. As 40 is a nearest multiple of 38, we have to change 38 into 40. How we will change that? So we have to add a 2. And what is the rule that when you add 2 in one number, then from other number you have to subtract. So now let's see after adding and after subtraction what we will get. So 38 plus 20, what you will get?
40.
40. Then 26 minus 2, what you will get? 26 minus 2.
24.
24. So these both number you got like that. You have to do addition subtraction. Then 40 plus 24, what you will get?
64.
64. You got the same answer which you got originally. Okay? Is this clear? This one?
Clear.
Very important. What is
In the first, we had done the addition with 38 plus 26, and we get the answer. Sorry, the question is we had in first we had plus 2, and in the second we had minus 2. So the answer is that only now.
Very good. Understood, no, this one? Then also you can
Yes, ma'am.
notes from PDF, so you will understand. And now how many sums I'm just showing? I guess till here all the sums are of addition. Otherwise these all are of subtraction. All this. Addition sums are from A to G. So we can solve from A to G. Okay, so I'm just solving. You can solve with me. You can leave the pages for this. And if you want to do with me, I'm showing how many pages you have to leave. This is first page for notes. So you can leave this first page and then only this much. Then you can start directly this exercise with me. जिसको मेरे साथ लिखना हो, they can leave this notes page, this much. One page, and here also you can write this one paragraph. So I guess you one page is enough. If you want to write with me that exercise, you can leave one page. Okay, I have shown that you can leave one page. Now we are starting. So after leaving one page, you can just give this heading in Fairbook. And those who don't want to leave page and don't want to write in a Fairbook, they can write in rough book. But I guess you should directly write in the Fairbook after leaving one page for notes. After giving, please tell me that you
will write the notes.
that one page I have shown, no, कि भाई एक page होगा notes का.
Okay.
That's why I have shown you कि भाई कितना page.
After 1D we have to not write anything. Ma'am, done.
No,
1D and question number 5. Sorry, question number 3.
This is last.
Okay.
And see the question number 2. Sorry, see the lesson number 2. Okay.
After finishing, please inform me. After you just finish giving
Done,
your.
ma'am.
Okay.
मैम रफ बुक में लिख सकते हैं.
हाँ, but I think so. If you will do directly in the fair book, it will be good. But if your chapter 1 is also incomplete, then you can do in the rough book. Because I don't know that how many students fair books are complete.
My fair book is complete.
Okay, good.
Ma'am, my fair book also. My fair book also complete.
As I told you to send me PDF and that detail homework detail so that I can send.
Today I will send you full lesson number 1 in the PDF style.
And that in homework detail, write that also maths chapter 1 fair book completed that way.
Okay.
After finishing, inform me. After you just give me heading, give the heading after leaving one page. And we will solve in both the way. First normally and then using compensation method.
Yes.
Ma'am, I solve.
Okay,
I also.
good.
I also solve.
Compensation method is also very easy. But you just have to decide, okay, by 28 hai, so that nears to which multiple of 10? We have already learned that. Okay, it's near to which multiple of 10? Round to the nearest 10, that one. So this one is very easy. You just have to decide कि 28 है वो कौन से जीरो वाले नंबर से करीब है. It's near to which multiple of 10?
Ma'am, I tell.
No. Right now nobody will say. I was just waiting for the girls because very few girls told me that they have written this much in fair book. That's why. Okay, now directly we are starting. So that Sarah, Kalibala Sarah,
Yes, ma'am.
give me one name for solving this normally.
Okay. Malad Aisha.
Okay. Malad Aisha, you can solve this addition normally. We do not using compensation.
8 plus 6. 14.
Yes.
Carry 1, carry and 4.
Yes, very good then.
And 11.
Okay, good. Very good. So who have solved before me and got the same answer?
I got the same answer. Sheikh Ganesha. Same answer. Balat Miza. Nisha Fatima. Ma'am, same answer.
Now I'm not writing full, huh? That using compensation. Otherwise, I will not have enough space for the other method. So now the same question I'm writing. 28 and 86, same numbers. Now first number is 28. So first we have to see. Okay, 28 is close to which multiple of 10. So who knows? Just say your name.
Ma'am, I tell Insha Bora.
Yes, say Anisha.
30.
28 is nearest to 30. I have already explained you okay, in before number, before 28, 20 is the number which is multiple of 10 and 30 is multiple of 10. Means 28 है वो 20 और 30 के बीच में है, but it is nearest to 30. So we can convert this, means we can change this into 30. But how can we change this into 30? What we can do?
Plus 2.
Yes, plus 2.
Plus 2.
Then you will get 30. Now, what is the rule when you add 2 in one number?
Like that now we are writing in the book.
And we have to
So we know that
with
our answer is right or wrong. If there is wrong, then we will do the right now and so problem.
Okay.
So like this you had written like that only we had write in with method I mean in Fairbook like
Yes,
this
yes.
one.
From that PDF only, how I have sent, no means my Fairbook PDF. Same way.
Okay.
So what is the rule when you add 2 from one number? So what you have to do in other bracket here? What you have to write?
we have to minus 2.
Minus 2.
Minus
Yes.
2.
This is the rule. Again, we are just revising. This is that rule. Okay, increase one number and decrease the other by the same amount. Same amount means what I have said. Same what?
Same number.
Same number. So same amount means same number. So here also plus 2, so minus 2. So 86 minus 2, what you will get?
84.
84. Now this is
So
addition.
in the PDF you had sent first look back revision means that who remember addition notes that is notes.
हाँ, I have shown you just now. वही तो अभी तो वही दिखाया मैंने कि भाई
Yes,
एक
yes.
पेज छोड़ सकते हो. That only I have sent. Now next name Sarah for addition of this.
Okay, ma'am.
Hello Zainab ma'am.
Yes.
Pathan Zara Banu.
So Pathan Zara, you can tell me. What you will get 0 plus 4.
Ma'am, Pathan Zara Banu left.
Okay. Next name. Fast. Give me next.
Miza Baloch.
Miza, no? Baloch Miza.
Yes, ma'am.
So Miza, just say fast. Time is already up.
What, ma'am?
I'm only doing 0 plus 4. Say everyone.
0 plus 1, 4,
3
8,
plus
8, 9, 10, 11.
So you got the same answer. Okay. Now I'm showing the today's puzzle. This is today's puzzle. The names of 17 shapes are hidden. Shapes name. Like, can you see something in first line? First, any shape in one line. This is like word search.
Triangle.
Yes, ma'am, right triangle.
Circle.
Total 17 shapes are there. So find that and just circle that. Okay. And you can take screenshot if you want to. Now shall I stop presenting? Now time is up.
Ma'am, 2 minutes.
Fast.
Ma'am, circle.
Right now you don't have to give answer. This is homework, I said. Now I'm stop presenting, okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Now we will meet tomorrow. Just maintain the Fairbook and send me that. Okay, bye everyone.
Hello ma'am. Zainab miss.
Yes.
Zainab miss.
Yes.
मैंने आज
Bye, ma'am. Bye, ma'am. Have a nice day.
And I have like living. Whatever doubt you can ask me in message. Don't call.
Bye, ma'am. Bye, ma'am. Have a nice day. Bye, ma'am. Happy Tuesday.
Bye ma'am.